Hello everyone, Quentin here with Eagle 3D Streaming. We have a great video for you today. In this video, we're going to show you how to run multiplayer locally. Let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is to show you how to set up and run multiplayer locally. The reason why we're going to start there is because it will help us in the way to setting multiplayer up so that we can connect users over the internet. I like to go step by step, and it helps with the debugging process, and it also helps get you comfortable with setting up multiplayer, and you're able to know what to look for when things are going right and wrong. Before we get into setting up multiplayer locally, a few key concepts to mention. In order to set up multiplayer, you're going to need two things: your Unreal Engine application, and you are going to need a dedicated server. Now, the dedicated server is the application that runs that helps orchestrate the connections between all of your users or all of your multiplayers. There is also another way to connect, and that is through a listening server, but we won't be covering that in this tutorial. I'm not a big fan of listening servers because it forces you to have one server that is serving as both the dedicated server and the UE app, and it's actually easier and more scalable, in my opinion, to separate them out. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I will see you all in another future video. Until then, take care.
Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our Pixel streaming platform for free. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.